Makanitha kuma kaunti-ini ya Kisii oro hamwe na muhunjia morwabe nimoritie thirikari ya kaunti ino iricukwo hari Gwitia makanitha Magoti undu maugete ati makanitha o matikoragwo na mbeca oro hamwe o undu umwe nigwite ati undu uyu ni ucungiririe acirika kwaga kugooca na njira njega kuna ni marakorwo magitio magoti o guku makanitha-ini oro hamwe morwabe nigwite ati nioritie makanitha mothe kunyihia inegene hindi ya kesha iria mekaga hindi ya utuku. Katamukira ripoti ino.
I want to advise the county leadership. There are many ways of raising revenue other than taxing the church. You know, the reality is that the church is a non-profit making organization. And we don't make any profit. Some churches are very small to raise even 300 shillings as offering. I think our county government was a bit too ambitious to try and tax the church. But in event that there are other things that the county may wish us as a church to do, we are ready to regulate ourselves. And for really, there could be a probability that there are people who make noise at night. But you know, when you tax me, that does not reduce the noise that I make. You actually amplify the noise. You encourage me, because if I have paid, therefore I can make any amount of noise as I want. But I want to talk to appeal to our fellow clergy. Please let us be considerate. Let us regulate the noises we make at night for the sake of our community. We can pray without making noise. I think that's my take. We can pray without necessarily making noise. You can make noise up to around 10 or at most 11, but thereafter you can pray quietly or in a low volume. That could be my appeal to my fellow clergy, as proposed to the county government to accept dialogue between the clergy and the leadership of the assembly and even the executive. We are yet to be allowed to meet with the governor or whoever that is concerned. But so far, our issues have been heard by the county government, and probably that may be the reason why they decided to take that kind of step. But we encourage the county government to do the same in writing as they did to the bill, the proposed bill. Whichever thing that they're withdrawing should be well documented.
Thank you. Na ni mwihoko wakwa ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Kisii ni gukorwo igietha njira ingĩ cia gukorwo ikirogota magoti